So part 3, determine whether PQ and AC prime are skew lines. So I think the first thing, PQ and AC prime. Where's AC prime? Okay. So the question now is whether they are intersecting or not, right? So we going to just find the AC prime, the line AC prime first. So first thing is I'm going to write is part 3. I'm going to take my OC prime is actually just, what was it? 0, 2A and A. And after which we have what line do we need? We need OC prime, OC prime and A. A is 3A 0 0. Okay, so OA is just 3A 0 0. So now I'm gonna find line of AC prime. That's pretty okay. We can just use OA here, 3A 0 0 plus mu. Okay, so now we're gonna use mu. So this case here, AC prime here would just be just take a normal 0 to AA. 0 to AA. This one, I think I'll just use OP here because it's easier. I don't want to use fraction. So this is A to A and A first. We're gonna do this A prime. This is 0 to AA and 3A 0 0. Negative 3A, 2A and A. Great. Okay, so this case here, divide by A because A is a constant, minus 3 to 1. So this is minus 3 to 1. And this is mu real value. Okay, so the question now is whether LAC and L, what line was it? PQ, they are skew or not. Alright, so I'm going to write now PQ, this is R equals to PQ just be A to A and A plus lambda 362. Lambda is real. Okay, so we know that DAC prime not equals to direction of PQ. So they basically okay, maybe this K. K is a real value. So essentially they are non-parallel. So they either be intersecting or skew, or intersecting or skew, yeah. So what we're gonna do is just let LAC equals to PQ. You just need to find the intersecting point. So I'm gonna just equate both of this. Okay, remember, in secondary school we usually just let y1 equals to y2, right? So the question now is whether y1 and y2 you will have, what do you call it, that you have a common mu and lambda which satisfy both line equation. Okay, but that is the thing. Okay, for this case here, you realize that this is 3a minus 3 mu so a plus 3 lambda. So I'm going to take the x out. Okay, then I'm going to use 2 mu equals to 2a. This is 362, sorry, 2a plus 6 lambda. And this is mu equals to a plus 2. That will give us 3 mu plus 3 lambda plus 3 mu equals to 2a. And then 6 lambda minus 2 mu equals to minus 2a. And then 2 lambda minus mu equals to a. Okay, so the question now is whether you have a lambda which satisfy all these equation here. You have three unknowns here. Okay, you have actually 2 unknowns here. So what we're going to do is actually just solve for lambda and mu, which see whether it satisfies all the equation here. So I'm going to just substitute. Let me see first. Let's just try and solve these 2. So we've solved these 2. So 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. 1, 2 and 3. So solving 1 and 2, right? So we're just gonna take 1 multiplied by 3, or maybe just multiply by 2. That's good. 1 multiplied by 2. We just take. I'm gonna use elimination. So 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, then that will give us 6 lambda plus 6 mu equals to 4a. And then you have 6 lambda minus 2 mu equals to minus 2a. So this is so you just take this. This is 2, right? So 4 minus 2, 6 lambda. This will be 8 mu. This will be minus, will just be 6a. So mu is equals to 3. 8 mu 6 over 8. That will be 3 over 4a. Then lambda on the other hand would sub into any of it. So because we are solving these two, so just make sure that you take mu and sub into any of it. That will give us, I'm just going to do it quick, okay? So minus 2 plus 2 times 3 over 4. There we go. Minus 2 plus 2 okay, so this will be, I'll just sub into 2 here to solve. Minus 2 divided by 6, that will give us minus 2 plus 12a. Okay, so we just gonna sub mu equals to 3 over 4 a and lambda equals to negative 1 over 12a into left hand side of 3, and hope that we get a. If we get a, means you satisfy all the 3 equations with this lambda and mu. If not, then it has to be a skew line. No, they both have, they are skew. So this will be left hand side will just be 2 minus half a minus 3 over 4a. That will give us minus 3 over 4. That will be negative 11 over 12a. Okay, so not equals to right hand side. Okay, hence lines are skew. Okay, they are skew lines. That's about it. That's part 2. Yep. So meaning they don't intersect. They are actually is like slightly below. So if you think about it, it's actually below it. It's not like intersecting. That's how you do this question here.